Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be doing a quick review of Setapp and showing you how to get the best deal. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Setapp discount code for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Setapp is an all-in-one subscription service that gives you access to a curated collection of premium Mac and iOS apps. You can get dozens of apps in one subscription. You can power up your workflow with Setapp as it is the smart way to get apps. It tidy up your Mac by running the performance optimization, freeing the space and removing the duplicates. You can boost your productivity with timed sessions. It can help you create applications in more than 25 languages. It generates instant mockups for your products and you can record and mix your own music. The Mac plan costs $32.99. The Mac Plus iOS plan costs $41.99. The Power Use plan costs $47.99. Setapp membership gives you access to curated apps for Mac, web, and iOS. You can install as many apps as you want. You can explore and use apps for your daily tasks. Setapp is a subscription to 260 plus apps. Type in your task and browse the tools suggested by Setapp Search. You can scroll down to find different apps in the All Apps option. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even the Setapp discount code. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.